Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by making sure both devices are reachable. Connect Xbox and PC to the same 5 GHz Wi-Fi or Ethernet for low latency, and sign into the same Microsoft account so permissions align. Once done, enable network discovery on your PC and turn on Xbox's streaming or remote features. This lets the two devices find each other. Make sure your PC firewall allows the Xbox app through, because without that connectivity, the stream will fail before it begins. Next, you install and open the Xbox app on your Windows PC and update it. Up-to-date software reduces compatibility problems. Then go to Devices, choose Consoles, and add your Xbox. Follow the on-screen PIN pairing flow shown on the console to link them securely. Once paired, adjust streaming quality and controller settings. Lower bitrate if your network is congested, or increase it for better visuals. This is where you trade off latency versus image fidelity, so choose based. Finally, you select the paired console in the Xbox app and click Stream or Remote Play to begin. You should see the console UI mirrored on your PC within seconds. Make sure you use Ethernet or a clean 5 GHz Wi-Fi channel and close heavy background apps to minimize lag. If things go wrong, try a quick restart of router and devices, repair the console, and double-check NAT type and firewall rules. Those are the most common culprits preventing a stable connection.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.